Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate Steam keys or game product codes directly in your Steam app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and can see your Steam library, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll notice an option that says Add a Game. Go ahead and click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Activate a Product on Steam. This is the feature that allows you to redeem any third-party game codes or product keys you've purchased outside of the Steam store itself. After clicking that option, a new window will pop up. This is where you'll actually enter your product code. Look for the designated field where you can type in your Steam product key. The key is usually a combination of letters and numbers, and it's typically provided to you when you purchase a game from an external retailer or receive it as a gift. Make sure you enter the code exactly as it appears, including any dashes or special characters to avoid any errors during the activation process. Once you've carefully entered your product code into the field, click the Confirm button. Steam will now verify the code and check whether it's valid and hasn't been used before. This process usually takes just a few seconds, so be patient while the system processes your key. If everything is correct, Steam will confirm that the product has been successfully added to your library, and you'll be able to download and install the game right away. And that's it, you've successfully activated your Steam product key and added a new game to your library. The game should now appear in your Steam library, ready for you to download and play whenever you want. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.